Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Teach Knowledge. In this video, I want to help students in submitting a descriptive assignment given by a teacher in Microsoft Teams. What you are looking at now is the screen of a student. An assignment was given by the teacher. This is how a student finds the assignment in his screen. As you can see, this assignment is due on 22nd September. To submit the assignment, a student has to click View Assignment. Now this assignment has two questions. Question number 1, write about database management systems. Question number 2, write in detail about DBMS architecture. The teacher has also mentioned that 20 marks are possible if a student successfully submits the assignment to the satisfaction of the teacher. The teacher has also assigned some rubric to the assignment. That is to say, a rubric is the criteria based on which the teacher is going to evaluate a teacher. If you click, as I already told you, this is a student screen. If you click rubric here, if at all a teacher has given the rubric, you will find the rubric here. The rubric is for question number 1. If the teacher finds your submission excellent, the teacher will give you 5 points. On a scale of 5, the teacher will give you 5 points. If the teacher finds your submission good for question number 1, he or she gives you 4 points. Similarly, if your submission is unsatisfactory, you will get one mark for this question number 1. Similarly, for question number 2, the teacher has mentioned that if you submit the assignment excellently, if the teacher finds your answer excellent, he or she will give you 5 points. Similarly, this is the grading criteria. If your submission is unsatisfactory, you will get 1 point. That is the rubric that the teacher has specified. If the teacher has not specified any rubric, you don't have to you don't have to click rubric. You can go ahead with submitting your assignment. To submit the assignment, all you have to do is you have to add your work by clicking add work. For that, you need to know whether the teacher has asked you to write the answers on a blank sheet and has asked you whether you have to scan the submission and upload it in response to this assignment. The other way, the teacher may have asked you to type the answers in Microsoft Word document, and you may attach the Word document in response to the assignment. So it is up to the teacher how to give this assignment. If the teacher has given you an assignment and asked you to upload the scanned copy of the answer script, you can use applications such as Microsoft Lens to scan the entire answer script and save it as a PDF. That is one of the most wonderful and reliable applications that you can find on Play Store to scan answer scripts and save them as PDF. So I advise you to use Microsoft Lens to scan your answer scripts and save them as PDF. If the teacher allows you to submit Word document, that is, you can type the answers and submit your assignment, you can go ahead and attach the Word document. What I am doing here is I have already saved the PDF of my answer script, so I am attaching my work here. If I click add work, I am going to upload my answer script from this device. When I click upload from this device, it will show the PDFs that I have on my desktop. So this is my answer script, assignment 1. PDF is my answer script. So I am attaching it. So this file is getting uploaded. My answer script is getting uploaded, and I'll click done here. Okay. So now my answer script is attached. So the next next thing that I will do as a student is to submit the assignment. Submitting assignment is just a click away. You will find turn in option here. If you click turn in, your assignment will be submitted and it will go to the teacher. So I am submitting the assignment. See, now I have successfully submitted the assignment. So it shows here a tick mark indicating that I have already submitted the assignment at 9:08 p.m. 21st September. So you can also unsubmit your assignment. You can take your assignment back. If you think your answers are not satisfactory to you, you can undo your turn in also. Anyhow, now that you have submitted the assignment, I'll show you how it looks like on a teacher's screen. Once you submit your assignment, how does it look on a teacher's screen? Now what I am going to show you is the teacher's screen. This is teacher's screen now. What you see, this is how the teacher finds your assignment. If the teacher clicks view assignment, it shows that the student named Smith has submitted the assignment. I showed you previously Smith's screen. So Smith has turned this assignment. The teacher clicks to see Smith's assignment. So this is how teacher finds your assignment. So Smith has submitted assignment. The attached file is this. Rubric is given here as specified by the teacher. So this is the answer submitted by Mr. Smith in response to the assignment. He uploaded a PDF. Now the teacher clicks rubric. If at all the teacher has specified rubric, if the teacher finds question number 1 excellent, he or she will grade it 5 points. Question number 2, the teacher is not happy with the answer question number 2, so he or she will click poor or unsatisfactory. The teacher may also give you some kind of feedback in the feedback space for question number 2. Because the answer was poorly written, the teacher may write you may have to improve. Okay, this is the feedback given by the teacher. Now the teacher clicks done and returns your assignment. As you can see, as per the rubric, the question number 1 was marked excellent, so you would get 10 marks. Question number 2 was marked poor, for which you will get 14 marks. The teacher clicks return now. So this assignment is returned to the student Mr. Smith. So it shows here that returned on 21st 9/12. Now let's go back to student Smith's screen and how he finds the assignment which is evaluated by the teacher. Now this is Smith's screen, the student's screen. As you can see, his name is Smith. He submitted the assignment. The teacher has also returned the assignment. Now this is how student finds the assignment that is returned by the teacher. So the teacher has returned and awarded 14 marks for the student. Now he wants to know why the teacher has assigned 14 marks to him. Because the rubric was already specified by the teacher, he'll click rubric and finds that he was given 5 points for question number 1 and 2 points for question number 2. 5 means 10, 2 means 4. So he would understand that he wrote question number 1 excellently, but question number 2 was evaluated by the teacher as poor. The feedback given by the teacher is also here. The teacher has written well done for question number 1. You have to improve for question number 2. So, and the student has got 14 marks. So this is what happens if you submit your assignment. I hope this video has helped you with submitting a descriptive assignment and reading the rubric specified by the teacher and understanding the feedback given by the teacher and understanding how you are evaluated by the teacher. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I am going to upload more such useful tutorials.